Here's Essayist app, academic writing app. It's quite popular today. So it literally helps you to write like academic papers, essays for college, for school, and you can write APA, MLA, Harvard style essays with ease, from in-text citations and footnotes to references and page setup. Essayist takes care of everything. It greatly simplifies the academic writing process. So it also has automatic formatting. Essayist formats everything for you. Upon starting your essay, it sets the title, margins, font line spacing, format your references, text citations, universal reference manager, citations, footnotes, general footnotes, equations, minimal interface, simple interface, figures, tables, regular updates, more. So there is iOS and macOS versions. Obviously, I guess you need to use it seriously on macOS on your Mac. But the cool thing about this app that it also has quite advanced iOS app where you can literally proofread your essay sometimes when you're in traffic, when you're like commuting, whatever. It's super handy on iOS, quite advanced iOS app where you can just use it. And yeah, you can see all of this setups. You can import deep text, multiple reference types, 2 paper sizes, all of the details. Basically, if you need an essay, you just open this app and all of the templating, everything is done for you. So you don't need to spend time on all of this formal stuff. So, and as you can see, it looks like that. So you just have templates, you see essay title, names, affiliation, abstract. You can start writing. It's nice font. You can see references which are added. You can just add figure, table, footnote, equation. You can print export settings. You can just see it like that. Then new essay, so quite cool. Then you can just set up different styling. And then you just see it just like that. Manage section, title page, main body, back matter. And yeah, quite cool, super handy app, just literally for writing your essays. You don't need to spend time in Pages app or Word. Here is literally just a template for essays, and it's synced perfectly with your iCloud Drive and all of that. So yeah, that's the idea.